channel. If you're new here, my name is Janae. I run a blog called Highlowluxxe and I focus on luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. Today we have an unboxing. I have 2 items and I'm going to try to quickly get through it. I'm super excited. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the first main item is from Chanel. This is actually my first purchase from a Chanel boutique, so I'm very excited. Now I do have to say I've already opened this because I wanted to see how it looked to make sure everything was right, but I did put it back in the box so that you guys can see how it came. I did take the ribbon off and I was not going to try to like figure out how to get it back on there. So this is what we have out the box, and this is what it looks like when you open it. And I have a little sticker, comes in the dust bag, and I'll make sure I share prices and everything so you don't miss anything. So I have been having my eye on this beauty for at least a year. It is a Chanel backpack. It was, the tag here, it was $3,600, and this is in the small size. I love that this has both silver and gold hardware, so you can see on the chains, like this one is silver, almost like a gunmetal, and then this one is like a brushed gold, and then at the bottom they get like shiny. So this is a shiny silver here, and then this is a shinier bright gold. And then on the front, the CCs are kind of in a gunmetal color too. I'm just so excited. I love it so much. I've wanted a backpack forever, and I was always really concerned about getting pickpocketed, like having it on my back and someone, you know, robbing me. But this one I love because the straps are the handle or the closure. So when you pull it and have it on your back, it's really hard for someone to get into because the tighter you have it on, the tighter the closure is. So that was the selling point to me. And also backpacks always seemed really like almost like too tomboyish for me, and I feel like this is the perfect like mix of like ladylike. It's almost just like a purse. It's very dainty and girly, but still the convenience of having a backpack. So I love it. It is the Chanel Gabrielle, but didn't say that's the name of this bag, and I got it in a small, and the leather is aged calfskin, so it looks very like distressed, which I love because it just makes me feel a little better about not messing it up too much. Also, I never thought I would get a white handbag, but my plan is once it gets like a lot of wear and tear or any discoloration, I'm gonna send it to leather surgeons because they can repaint a bag or kind of like restore its original color. They can basically make your bag look brand new, and I've looked into it before for previous bags, and it's only like $200 or $300 depending on what's needed. So that is my plan for the future, so this always stays beautiful because Chanel backpacks never go out of style. So I'm very excited to add this to my collection. I'll insert pictures somewhere of what this looks like on, so you can see kind of like how it hangs on me. I did choose to go with the small because I'm only 5'3½", so I liked where it stopped on me because the medium did have longer straps, so I didn't like how that fell. So this is our first item, and the next one is from Dior, and it's just a little small something, but it's a strap. I'll just tell you now. So I have been on the hunt for a Dior strap in a neutral color, and I found this. Now, ironically, I recently sold one of my Dior bags. I had I'll put a picture in here somewhere, but I had a like fuchsia Lady Dior mini, and I sold that, and I'm actually on the hunt for the same bag, a mini Lady Dior, but in black with champagne hardware. I'm looking in the pre-loved market, so I haven't found one yet, but in anticipation for that, I bought this strap because I tried it on in the store with it, and it is perfect for that bag. So I figured while I found the neutral one, which was hard for me to find, I should just go ahead and get it, and then once I get the bag, I'll be ready to go. So you can wear it on this side, which has just Christian Dior Paris, And then it has like yellow stitching and tan stitching. And this is black, but it can look navy in certain lights. And then the other side, which is reversible, just says Christian Dior, Paris. And then it has gold hardware. So I'll show you how I've been planning on wearing it until I get the actual Dior bag. So this is a little wicker bag that I got from Zara, and it looks so cute. Again, like, don't be afraid to, like, these straps. This strap was, actually, let me tell you the exact price. But my point is, for the price, I'm gonna wear it with whatever I want because I paid for it. So this strap was $1,050, so $1,050. And this part is leather and this part is just fabric. But it looks so cute on this bag. Look at that. It looks like it was supposed to be like that. And then you can also, depending on what you have on, you can wear it on the reverse side too. So very, very excited about that. And then I'll keep searching for my mini Lady Dior, and eventually this will go on that bag. I tried this on my medium saddle bag, which is what they kind of like suggest wearing it with, but I didn't love how it felt. It's just too big for me to wear a crossbody. This looks better on a the mini saddle bags, the really small ones. So for now, it'll just be on here and any other summery bags. Okay guys, so that's it. That's my quick little haul. I just wanted to share what I got before you see me wearing it all over Instagram. So thank you for stopping by. Of course, if you lasted this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. I post 3 times a week on Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also follow me on Instagram at Highlowluxxe. And make sure you check out my blog. I post on there Mondays and Fridays at highlowluxxe.com. As always, thanks for stopping by. See ya.